Hello, this is Oliver, and today I'm going to be showing my Lego pistol. And I made it out of Legos, of course, that's what you just heard. And how it works is that these blocks right here act like a trigger, and it moves this little top piece that lets this big rubber band go. So I'll show you how it works right here. Did you see that? I bet you didn't. So there's a target behind me. That box right there. There's this one, that one, there's darts next to it. It's that one that's in the middle. So let's shoot that. Two shots. I'm gonna do something that's cool. Let's reload this. How it loads is that you have the gun and the rubber band. Put it on that gray part that I was talking about that moves. And then you pull it back onto the little orange piece back here. Then I shoot at this box. So this is what it looks like. I'll make more guns after this. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe at the bottom of the screen. Bye.